customer has a 2017 Geely M Grand EV300. The vehicle cannot drive normally and asked for repair. The ready light on the dashboard doesn't light up. The system fault light, EBD, and EPS fault lights are on. How should we handle it? Next, let's learn the diagnosis and elimination methods of this fault. The first step of preparation is to set up the warning line. Check the fire extinguisher. Place a safety warning sign. Check the toolbox, diagnostic tool, a multimeter, an insulation meter, insulation gloves, safety helmets, maintenance manual. The second step is to install the wheel stopper. Install the 3-piece set inside the car. Open the hood. Install the exterior vehicle protection kit. Confirm the fault phenomena. Open the door. Turn on the ignition switch. It can't start. Ready light doesn't light up. System fault indicator light, EBD and EPS fault lights are always on. Read the fault codes and data streams. The first step is to connect the fault diagnostic tool. The second step is to read the fault codes. We'll settle this year. That Milky Santos and I said, the BMS communication lost. U017187, ABS-ESP, communication lost. Main fault codes such as 014287, HCU, VCU, communication lost. Step 3. Read the data stream. When reading the BMS data store, it shows that the connection to the car computer fails and cannot connect to the BM. The fourth step is to record the fault codes and analyze the fault cause based on the fault code and data flow. The possible cause of the failure is the fault of power supply circuit of the BMS controller, communication circuit failure, or BMU itself. First, check the power supply circuit of BMU. Refer to the repair manual and draw a circuit diagram. From the circuit diagram, the BMU power supply needs to go through EF18 fuse and R15 to 30 relay. Check the EF18 fuse. Turn off the ignition switch. Check if the multimeter itself is normal. Set the multimeter to the voltage gear. Measure the voltage of the battery. The voltage is 1274 volts. Set the multimeter to the resistance gear. Measure the resistance. When shorting the multimeter probes, the resistance is 0.2 AMZ. Multimeter is normal. Open the fuse box cover. Check the voltage before and after the EF18 fuse. The front voltage is 1274 volts, it's normal. The voltage behind is 0, which is abnormal. Pull out and check the EF18 fuse. Check its resistance. The resistance is infinite, indicating damage. Take a new fuse. First, confirm if it is intact. Check its resistance. The resistance is 0.21 ohms. The fuse is normal. Use it. After using the new fuse, measure the voltage before and after the fuse. The voltage before is 1271 volts, and the voltage after is 1273 volts. The voltages are normal. Enter the cab. Check. The ready light is not on. Use the diagnostic tool to clear the fault code. And read the fault code again. The fault code still exists. So the fault has not been solved. We continue to look for it, based on the circuit diagram analysis. Next, check the ER15-30 relay. Test the ER15-30 relay. Pull out the ER15-30 relay. Turn on the ignition switch. Check the voltage between pins 85 and 86. VOLTAGE is 11.82 volts. VOLTAGE is normal. The voltage of pin 87 to ground. VOLTAGE is 12.19 volts. The voltage is normal. Check the ER15-30 relay. Measure the coil resistance between pins 85 and 86 of ER15-30 relay. The coil resistance is 813 AMS. The resistance is normal. Apply 12 volts DC voltage to the relay coil. Test the resistance between pin 87 and 30. The resistance is infinite. The relay is damaged. Take a new relay. Test the coil resistance in the same way, which is 7780 ohms. The coil resistance is normal. Apply 12 volts DC voltage to the relay coil. Test the resistance between 87 and 30 pins. The resistance is 0.41 ohms. The relay is normal. Use it. Enter the cab. Check. The fault indicator light has gone out. The ready light can be lit. The vehicle is normal. Use the fault diagnostic instrument to clear the fault code. Read the fault code. The previous fault code has disappeared. Read the BMS data stream. The data stream is normal. Analysis of the fault mechanism. In the power supply circuit of BMU G2, the fuse and relay are damaged, causing abnormal power supply to the BMU, which cannot wake up the BMU. The fault light is on. The ready light is not on. The vehicle cannot start. Finally, fill in the work order. In this class, we learn to detect the BMU unit, power supply circuit, and fault elimination. According to the method, in class, you can measure whether the BMU power supply is normal. The most important thing is you need to find the fuse and relay in the circuit, and the order and method of testing. Correct operation can ensure the accuracy of the test.